Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are just gonna update our model and modal. Okay, so I forgot to add I guess 3 fields. Okay, first is due date, due time and tags. So let's add those 3 fields. So here I'll say due underscore date equals to models dot date field. Okay, and here I will say blank equals to true and null equals to true. Then I'll say due time, okay, which is going to be a time field, null equals to true and blank equals to true. Now the other is tags, okay, equals to, and here I'll say models dot char field, okay, and max length is going to be 225 and blank is going to be true. So I'll just remove that null thing. Okay, so once this is done, let's go ahead and do make migration. Okay, python manet.py make migrations, and here I'll say migrate. And yeah, before performing this command, and if you have connected your project with Postgres, make sure your Postgres is up and running, okay, and then only it will make the changes in the database, otherwise it is going to give you an error. Alright, so once this is done, let's go ahead and run the server. Cool. So I'll just copy this link, come to the browser, paste that one, and here in the modal I need to add tags field. Okay, so I'll just add it above the priority, I guess. So let's go ahead and go to templates, home.html, and here what's the priority over here, right? So I'll just duplicate this div tag, and here I'm going to say tags, okay, or is going to be tags, and the ID is also going to be tags. Then the label is going to be tags. Everything is perfect, I guess. Now I'll add placeholder, enter the comma separated tags. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So I'll just save these changes, go over browser, refresh, and if I click over here, you can see now we have tags. Okay, I need to change this to text. Let's see. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I guess these are the changes which I forgot to make in the previous video. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see that how we can save the task into the database. So yeah, I will see you there. Thank you. Bye.